Hi, my name is Sarah Seafelt. My student ID number is 3231186, and the semester is fall of 2017. Today I'm going to show you how to clip your dog's nails. First, you'll need the dog that you're going to do the nails of. You'll need a pair of nail trimmers like these, which is what cuts off the excess tip of the nail. And you will also need a powder to stop bleeding in case you hit the quick. This, you can use something homemade like flour or cornstarch, or you can use a styptic powder from the pet store. So I'll have you look at her nails. You can see the pink part right there, that's her quick. And because she has clear nails, hers is easily noticeable. So you don't want to clip that part. That's the vein that runs in her claws. However, if she had dark nails, if you notice right at the bottom there's a little ridge where it starts to angle out and it gets a lot skinnier. If you had a dog with dark nails, that is where you would want to clip in front of. So anywhere above where that little ridge starts. Now let's say I accidentally did quick her and she started to bleed. We would take some of our flour or your styptic powder and you would pinch on and you would apply it to the nail that was bleeding, and you would keep applying and keep pinching until the bleeding stopped. Hi, I'm going to show you how to clip your cat's nails today. First, you'll need the cat that you're going to clip the nails on, a pair of nail clippers, and something to stop the bleeding in case we hit the quick. You can use a commercially produced styptic powder, or you can use something from home, either flour or cornstarch. And if you need to have someone hold your cat in case they're being a little crazy, you can first take your arm, wrap it around their head, and secure them into the nook of your elbow. And we do this that way they can't turn and bite you. And then you're also going to use this arm around them to secure their body towards you, and then you can hold the nail out for whoever's going to do the nails. So what I'm going to do is first, I'm going to push on the pad of her foot to express her claws. And then from there, I'm going to pull back any fur if I need to. And then I'm going to look for where her quick is. And you can see right there, that pink, that's her quick. That's the vein that runs in her claw. So we're going to cut below that. Now let's say I did accidentally hit her quick and she was bleeding. What I would do is I would take some of my styptic powder, or my flour in this case, and I would apply it to the nail and pinch it until the bleeding stopped. And I would keep applying the powder until the bleeding was done. Hi, this is how to pill a dog. So what you first need is the dog that you're going to give your medication to, and you need your pill. I, however, am using a treat to simulate a pill. So what you're first going to do is you're going to take one hand and pull up the sides of her gums right below her teeth. Use the other hand to pull down her mouth. And then you're going to place the pill back at the very base of her tongue, close her mouth, and then massage her throat. And you can actually see her tongue starting to come out. That means she's swallowed. You can also feel it in her throat area. So she is all done. Hi, this is how you give a pill to a cat by hand. First, you need the cat that you're going to give the medication to, and you need your pill. I, however, am using a treat instead of a pill. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to take the sides of the mouth and pull up the gums just below the teeth. You'll use the hand with the pill to pull down her bottom teeth. You'll place it all the way at the back of her throat, and then you'll massage her throat until she swallows. You can see right there, when she started to open her mouth and stick her tongue out a little bit, she had swallowed, and I can also feel it in her throat. To do a urine collection, first you'll need a cup to collect your sample. And we're actually going to do what's called a midstream collection, which is because doing a free catch collection like we're doing today, it can be contaminated by bacteria around the urethra and the lower urinary tract. So we wait a couple seconds to allow it to flush out before we collect our sample. And now we have our urine collection, which we can now go and do all of our tests on. Use a gauze muzzle on a dog. First, you're going to want to make a loop in the gauze. And then you're going to put that over your pet's nose. Pull it tight. Loop it back under their nose. Then you're going to bring it behind their head, and you're going to tie it in a quick release bow. That way, in case you need to remove it, you are able to. Now she can't open her mouth, and if we need to, we're able to just pull the knot, pull the string of the bow in the back and release it.